Hi, hello, Smiley Space here. Today I'm going to be making, eggs in the microwave. Now you may be asking saying to yourself, Smiley Space, that sounds fucking disgusting. What is wrong with you? And, my response to that is, fuck you, I do what I want. But also, it's not that disgusting. It's actually really good. So, yeah. This is everything you're gonna need. The eggs, some milk, a bowl, and seasoning. So first off, what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to take the egg and crack it. Put it in the bowl. You know, it's a thing. Phone's going off. All right. Second thing, milk. You need a splash of... I already fucked up. We need a splash of milk. You know, fuck it, we're gonna make these extra watery. Because I hate life. And also, my measuring's... you know, it's guesstimating. Fuck off. Anyway, so, yeah, just add a splash of milk. And, go on to our next step. Alright, so, next step is to whisk the eggs in milk, whatever you want. How many eggs you want? We just gotta whisk it out. Back to our scheduled programming. Alright, well, the eggs are whisked, and now just gotta shove it in the microwave. Yeah. Alright, so, gotta wanna open the microwave. And you don't need to cover, because, I'm unsafe, and also I've done this so many times without a cover, and it's fine. Shove it in there, close it, just put it for 30 seconds if you're cooking one egg. I'm gonna put it in for 40 seconds because I'm a paranoid bitch. And now the microwave's finished. Just gonna check on our eggs, and look at that. Looking good. Close the microwave. Alright, so there we go. Next step. Alright, so next step, it's just to mix it up. Scramble them, literally. Just take a fork and start cutting it up and stuff. Take a fork and cut it up, you know. A fork and yeah, do exactly this. Just cut it up. Look at that. They almost fell out. That would have been bad for me and my job. I would have been fired. Alright, so once you're done cutting up and not cutting up. Well, you're technically cutting it up, but once you're done scrambling the eggs, put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. And then it'll be done. The microwave beep beepity boop bop bibbity boo. And then just look at that. Eggs. Close the microwave. And there you go. And then take a fork and just cut it up again. Get it all out. Get it all off the sides of the thing. Prepare it back. There you have it. There are the eggs in the microwave. I seasoned them. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. There you go. There it is.